So it's been almost half my life ago when I took my GCSE papers in high school. For the NA people, these are the end of high school papers you take when you're 16. So I'm going to retake a GCSE paper now and see how much I've retained in the last 13 years. Okay, I did it when I was 16. It's been 13 years since I did these. These are the papers from last summer. I definitely did higher tier. Now, I either got a B or a C, because all I remember from high school is that I got 1A in physics and I got 1F, or was it an E in PE? No calculator allowed, guys. Remember that. I'm already fucked. How do I do this? Okay, so a cube has a total surface area of 150 centimeters. What's the volume? Isn't that just 150? Wouldn't it just be half of this added on to this? If you carry the 3 plus 1 is... No, that's not how that works. Then we do another half of that. So what's half of that? So we just add these up, which is 5, 7, 3, 3. That's gotta be wrong. Oh, bro, this is hurting my brain. How did I get a B? I never need to draw a frequency polygon in my life. Shall we just do the foundation paper, guys? Okay, we're gonna try and do this on the easy paper, okay? Right, 38% is a decimal. Oh, what the fuck? 0.38, easy. So how many segments we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 3 of them are shaded in. So we got 3/10. From the list, write down the smallest Bro. -9 plus 5 is -4. Right? So, that's 5. It's because I just know 5 minus 2 is 3. I just know that. I wouldn't know how to actually do proper algebra here. I just know that 5 minus 2 is 3. Freddy adds labels to this diagram of a circle, okay? Explain why one of the labels is wrong. Diameter is what is marked is actually the radius. Like if he did this across, that's the actual diameter. It was like from one side here to the other side with a line that goes through the center. That's the diameter. But from the center out to the side is the radius. Write down 3 different factors of 20. 4 is a factor, 2 is a factor, and 5 is a factor, right? There are whole numbers that can be divided out of this, right? I'm not like 100% on this, but I'm fairly I'm like 85% confident on that. Okay, so this all has to equal 360, right? Let's do 360 minus 50, which is 310. And an angle of 50% is a student wrong. Oh no, okay, I got this. A student is wrong, and a acute angle is an angle less than 90. And then a right angle is 90. That's 3 marks. Write down the coordinates of plot point B. Isn't it? Oh, bro, is it 5? Is it? Yeah, you go across the up, right? It's 5-3. It's 5-2. Write down the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. This one, right? I mean, it's also the only one that actually intersects an actual point, and this is the easy paper, so I think that's the only thing that makes sense. Okay, draw a line with the equation y equals -4. Would it be just this? I don't know, dude. This is the first one I'm actually 100% stumped on. No, wait. Wouldn't it just be like a straight line across -4? Max sees this special offer in a shop. Buy 1 large plate and buy 1 small plate for half the normal price. Max, you're a fucking high school student. You don't need to worry about fucking buying plates, dude. Normal price for a plate is £12. £2, and the small plate is 80p. He wants to buy 6 large plates and 6 small plates using this offer, and he has £15. Has Max got enough? And okay, so for every 1 large plate he buys, he gets 1 small plate at half price, and he's buying an equal amount here. So if I figure out how much like a set of 1 large and 1 small costs, we just times that by 6. £2, and he gets an extra one for 40. So it's gonna be £2.40 is the set. I combined a pound sign and a dollar there. So he has £2.40 for the set, right? And we times that by 6, 14.40, right? Yes. And then we point an arrow up to, this is how much she's spending. A total of 700 tickets were on sale for a football match. Was sold. How many tickets were not sold? Okay, we just do 700 minus 452. It's 348, right? Or is it 248? No, it's 248. For a different football match, this many was sold for this much and was sold for this much. Work out the estimate. The total amount of money paid for these tickets. Well, if we can round these up pretty easily and then just subtract the costs off at the end, right? 300 tickets at £9.50. It's gonna be just less than 3,000, right? Would it be better for me to work this out at 10, which is 3,000, right? 300 lots of 50p is 150, right? Pounds. So we just take away 150 from this. 2,850. Okay, that's not even the full price, because then I need to take off 3 times this. So £9.50 is 18. That's £19. 28.50. Subtract another 28.5 off of that. So it's 5.238. Okay. So that's this cost of this one. We'll do 400 times 20, which is 800, 1600, right? 8,000. But then we got to minus 400 times 50 because we rounded this up, so we need to take this off. 4,000 times 50 is actually a lot easier. I think it's just 200, right? Yeah, it's just 200. 800. But then we've rounded this up, so we need to take off 1 ticket cost of 1950. So I think the average, it should be 779. Come on, 7791 and 50p. God, I hope I'm right. I hope I'm so right. Is your answer to that be an underestimate or an overestimate? Oh, it's the exact. It's the exact amount. Is the mean them all added up and divided by how many numbers there are? Is that one the mean? Yeah, 42 divided by 6. 7. 7. Right? What the fuck? What the? No, bro. How did I go from this, adding up numbers, to, bro, algebra, bro. I feel like algebra is just something that is the thing you don't remember. Like, no one uses these in day to day, but nobody actually does algebra outside of an algebra class. I'm skipping this, dude. Algebra is so stupid. Last week, 73% of tickets sold in the cinema were adult tickets. What percentage of the were not adult tickets? Okay, so it's 27%. On Friday, 500 people watched a film at the cinema. 70% of these people were children. Kazim thinks more children watched the film on Friday than Saturday. Is Kazim correct or wrong? No, wait. I need to figure out how many people. Okay, 70, what's 70% of 500? That's what I need to figure out. 10% is 50 people. Right, so we times that by 7, 350 of them. And so how do I turn this into a percentage? Well, I know it's more than half, because half would be 4 out of 8. Wait, what's half of 720? Half of 0 is 0, half of this is 1, half of this is 50, so this would be a 6. 360. And this is more than that. He's wrong. If this was half of the people of 720, it'll be 4 out of 8 people, right? That'll be 50%. And half of 720 is 360, which is already more than the 350 from this day. And this isn't even all the people. How do you multiply fraction? Bro, IDK, dude. Bear in mind, I did my GSCEs the year the iPhone 4 came out, alright? This is just as the iPhone became popular. The thing they would say to you is in school all the time was, you won't have a calculator on you forever. You won't always have a calculator in your pocket to do this shit. I doubt they say that anymore though. Okay, 6 times 5, right, is 30 over 12 times 7. And obviously we can half this to simplify it, right? So it'd be 15 over 42. I don't know if you have to maybe just add them together, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna write 15 over 42. What's my other answer is gonna be? It's gonna be 11 over 21. There are 200 counters in a bag. This many of this. Rest of the counters are yellow and green. Are there the same amount of yellow and green counters? Okay, 52 plus 38. This is 90. 200 take away 90 equals 110. And we know that there's the same amount of yellow and green counters. So yellow equals half of this, which is 555. What percentage of the counters in the bag are yellow? Percentage is always out of 100, so we just divide both of these by 2, right? So to make it out of 100, we just divide them both by 2. So it'll be 27.5 crates of apples. There are 5 apples in each bag. Who fucking works like this? Wouldn't it literally just be like, wait, let me fucking write. B plus C equals T. No, wait, wouldn't it be 28C plus 5B equals T? Here are the first 5 in this sequence. You find an expression in the nth time of the sequence. Isn't it just n plus 8? So it's like the previous number plus 8 equals this one, right? As a mixed number? What's that supposed to mean? I want to be very clear. Nobody does math with fractions. Do math with decimals like everybody else in the world, because this is an actual number. You write 2.5 like this. So nobody writes in 3/8. Nobody writes 7 3/8. They'll write 7.39 or whatever. I don't know what it is, but it's somewhat something like this. It might be 37. There's a number around here, okay? Nobody writes numbers like this. A cube has a total surface area of 130 centimeters. Work out the volume of the cube. Wait, wasn't this the question on the last paper we did? The final questions of this paper are the starting questions of the other paper. How did I go, right? From timesing 250 by 60, right? To total surface area of 150 centimeters. I'm just gonna say 150. Dude, I don't even know what the fuck a frequency polygon is. 5 and 10, it is 24. So is this a frequency polygon for you? Is this polygon enough? So polygon would imply that it closes up on itself as an actual shape. I drew a shape on that fucking graph, okay? That's the best we got. 1 isn't a square number because a square number is a number that can be divided by 1 in itself, and 1 is also itself. So I'm pretty sure 1 isn't. 3 is a square number. No, I'm thinking about prime numbers. Square numbers can't be divided by themselves. Wait, no odd number, unless 1 is the only one. 8, 9. Yeah, I'm pretty sure 1 is the only one. Oh god. Describe the relationship between the age and weight of babies. Easy. As the baby gets older, the baby gets heavier. The price of a holiday costs 20. It increases by 20%. Bro, inflation is wild. This 20% increase adds 250 to the cost of the holiday. We'll work out the price of the holiday before the increase. I think it's that, right? I'm gonna do some math. So 10% of this is 120, right? And then yeah, it's 1,200. I did the math in my head. Okay. But I kind of just like trialed it in my head and I got it. 1,200 divided by 10 equals 120 times 2 equals 240. So that's the 240 increase from the 20%. So the 10, 2 is the 20%, which makes 240. So 240 is what gets added onto this. So it's 1,200. Bro, this is so much easier than remembering even the fuck this is. The cylinder has a volume and a height. Okay, the cylinder exerts a force of 90 newtons on the floor. What about the pressure on the floor due to the cylinder? Okay, pressure is the force by the area. Is it the area of this on the floor, or is it the area? Because I have no idea what that is. So I've got to use these two numbers to figure out the area, right? Otherwise, there's no point in giving me this number. 20 divided by 40, maybe? Sorry, that's 30. 90 divided by 33, right? I don't know if that's right. I just use the numbers in a way that, like I don't know if this is how you work out the area from the volume. Fuck, it's a graph. No, I can't do that. I'm just gonna point here. Work out the value of this, it's fucking 4, dude. The answer is 4. Write down the exact value of cos 60 degrees? Cosine 60 degrees. This makes... Huh? Yes. So be this times this, right? Be 20% chance that she works at home and then a 30% chance she works in the office. So like 0.15 or something. 0.3. I think that just makes 0.15. I'm not entirely sure if that's how the math works or how you arrive at this number. I'm not like, this is the only thing that comes to mind. Blank page. Oh, am I done? Okay, we did it. Okay, we're done. We can go through the mark scheme. So I got 1 mark here. Let me write this down in a... So we got 1 mark here. This is 1 mark as well. 0.5. Yeah, we got that. Bro, I had to write the smallest number down. That's so stupid. And this is -4. That's another easy mark. This is 1 mark. I got this right. It says has the label what is actually marked as the radius. That's what I put. And they're on here. Okay, I got 2 marks. 310 is the correct answer. 350. Oh, I get an extra mark for writing this down as well. All right, I got 2 marks for that as well. Oh my god. Okay, this is wrong. Whatever I did here is wrong. Oh no, it's not. Okay, we got 5-2. We got 1 mark here. Okay, bro, the answer here doesn't make any sense. It doesn't show me what the actual answer is. It just explains that. Did they do this? And I'm like, bro, I don't know if I did that. Show me what it should look like. I have no idea. I'm gonna put 0 because I don't actually know if it's right or not. Yes, with supported. Okay, how many marks is this? This is a 4. Oh, did I missed out the first step here, I think. Wait, I just did it in a way that isn't explained here. So I got the right answer. So I get 1 point for the right answer. And I got to the 440, right? So this is the correct answer. And this is me getting to that answer. So that's another point. I'm gonna give myself 2. 1,100? Oh, I got this wrong. What did I do wrong? Yeah, no. If I would have estimated, it would have been 3,000 plus 8,000, which would have been 1,100. So if you rounded this up to 10, rounded this up to 300, and rounded this up to 400, rounded this up to 20, it would have been this 3,000 plus the 8,000. I just wrote the right answer. So I just did the question wrong because I did the actual math instead of estimating. That's kind of stupid, huh? That I got it wrong because I actually did the math and did it right. I actually did it. Crazy. No, I didn't get full marks because I didn't actually work out what actually like 5/8 was. But I didn't need to figure out what 5/8 was to get the answer. 2 marks. I didn't shrink it down. Oh my god, I actually got it right. But I didn't like squash it down enough. I think I already got 1 mark because I didn't squish it down enough. I didn't do a lot of work, but I did get it right. T equals 5b plus 28c. I did actually get it right. I actually did get the right answer, but I just didn't write any math on it. I don't give a fuck, dude. I got that one wrong. 0 marks on this one too. And I wrote 150 on this one. Oh, it's 125 on 22. Oh my god. Frequency polygon makes 0 sense to me. I'm just gonna give myself 0 marks because I can't be fucked to read this. Oh, I got this so wrong. Is 4 the only square number? Oh, I guess a square number is when you times 2 of the same number together, they equal the... Oh, I just forgot what a square number is. Okay, so I worked it out in reverse. So I'm going to give myself 1 point, but I did figure it out. Oh, it's 0.06. Oh, okay. I got that so wrong as well. Okay. I mean, I wrote down this, but I just don't know how to do that. So I actually get 1 point for writing this down to knowing how to figure it out. I just don't know how to make that answer. Okay, that's it. Okay. Wait, does the front of this paper tell me how many it's out of? It's out of 80 and I got 40. And that's because that whole middle section, I just did not know anything. I got literally 50% of this easy paper done.